Hello, my name is Miranda, and I'm going to be talking about our technology innovation in Disney, and it's in our DNA. Since the inception of Walt Disney Studios, there's always been a forefront in innovating technology and exciting ways to use it and tell different stories. Disney has come a really long way with all of their technology by improving their CGI and all of their works in animation. This came really explicitly through the Avengers movies as it's super intricate. Another prime example of this innovation is the launch of Disney Plus, which has expanded the content beyond belief and has given people access from their homes. Especially during a time of COVID, this was extremely important for Disney as they could put new releases into this. Also, I'm going to be talking about the vignettes of Disney and storytelling. The Disney's portfolio of movies and television is expansive and produced and created more than 500 feature films and 7,000 television episodes. This is really important because it proves how strong of a company Disney is and how wide of a range of shows they have. And then in our next slide, we'll be talking about examples of successful movies, which is what my other team members is going to be presenting. But Disney has come up with extreme amount of successful shows and movies, so thank you so much.